Coding. No IQ. No money. No problem. Welcome to my channel. Today we're steamrolling the idea that you need to be rich, born a genius, or blessed by a tech deity to learn how to code. Whether you're a poet, plumber, or part-time necromancer, you can absolutely start coding, and you can do it right now. Number 1. You need a high IQ to code. Let's be real. Intelligence helps, but it's not the gatekeeper here. Coding is a skill, like cooking, painting, or fixing an AC unit. Shout out to anyone who's replaced a capacitor and lived to tell the tale. What actually predicts success is grit, curiosity, and being okay with failing hard before succeeding quietly. Number 2. Coding costs money to learn. This myth's powered by ignorance and marketing. You don't need to drop thousands on boot camps or fancy certifications. The internet is a buffet of free resources, and honestly, the best tutorials are free, community-driven, and more approachable than most classroom lectures. Number 3. You have to start young or be a tech genius. Ever seen a grandma fix CSS padding better than a 22-year-old TikTok bro? Age doesn't disqualify you. Neither does your job title. Artists, nurses, baristas, parents, people from all walks of life are building apps, automating spreadsheets, and even changing careers through code. Number 4. Coding requires formal education. Computer science degrees are great, but not mandatory. Plenty of professional developers are self-taught or learned through online boot camps and tutorials. What counts is building stuff, breaking stuff, and learning from both. So, here's your permission slip to ignore the gatekeepers. Coding is a playground, not a gated mansion. Whether you're 17 or 70, broke or sipping Cristal on your 200-foot yacht made of Wagyu beef, you can get in. Learn by building, connect with community, and redefine your limits one bug at a time. As always, thanks for watching and stay curious.